Hello! Welcome back po dito si Angel Francia, PH Tarot, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Placements. Kamusta po kayong lahat mga madam and sir? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So in today's video po, alamin natin kung ano ang mga sagot ng inyong guardian angels tungkol sa mga katanungan ninyo regarding love life, regarding career, regarding sa kaperahan ninyo, or anything na gusto nyong malaman, or mga katanungan ninyo lately. Okay? Paalala lang po sa lahat, this is a general reading. Okay? Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat. Okay? If you are interested sa mga items ko, okay, pakicheck na lang yung FB page ko, Angel Francia PH Tarot, and Shopee online store ko, Bonum Magos. Okay? Ayan po. Madami tayong mga pasabog na items darating next week. Okay? Kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng Evil Eye Bracelet, yung mga panangga sa inggit, okay? Kung may naiinggit sa inyo, yun, Libra. Kailangan nyo yun. 700 pesos yung Evil Eye Bracelet. Okay? May kasamang ritual, may kasamang dasal, and of course, sa akin, may gagawin din akong ritual doon. Lalagyan ko ng blessing. Okay? Yung mga Evil Eye Bracelet. Para sa, yun nga, inggit. Yung Evil Eye kasi madaming dala yun eh. Panangga yun sa mga usog, mga inggit, panangga sa, nagbibigay din ng swerte yun, yung Evil Eye. Okay? Actually, madaming kulay ang Evil Eye, but the most common is blue. Okay? Ayan. Sa mga interesadong bumili ng Evil Eye Bracelet, okay, para matanggal na yung mga inggit-inggit sa inyo, okay, tigilan na kayo ng mga kapitbahay ninyo, or, I don't know, mga kaaway ninyo na iinggit sa inyo. Ayan, you need Evil Eye para protektahan yung energy niyo at the same time. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano ang mga katanungan ninyo. Message kayo sa akin sa Facebook page. Hanapin ninyo Angel Francia PH Tarot. Okay, next week darating yung Evil Eye Bracelet. Okay, limited items lang po yun. Okay, wala kayong mahahanap na ganun na design. Okay, makikita niyo yung design sa Facebook page Angel Francia PH. Okay, Libra, ano ang mga katanungan at sagot ng angel sa'yo regarding your situation. Okay? Mensahe at advice para sa ating Libra. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Placement. Okay? I'm also a Libra, kaya I need this. Alright! Tingnan natin kung ano ang sagot. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Okay? So, kunin lang kung alin dun ang nagre-resonate sa inyo dito. Alright. Libra, you have, the Three of Pentacles. Don't stop. Don't stop. Huwag kang tumigil sa commitment mo. Be committed to your dreams, to your work. Okay? Don't stop believing, don't stop pursuing your goals. Okay? Learning, don't stop learning, Libra. Don't stop building your dreams. Don't stop pursuing your goals, achieving your goals. You will achieve it. Okay, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Don't stop. Sabi ng yung spirit, guys. If there is something na parang nawawalan ka na ng gana, like regarding sa work, sa trabaho, regarding finances, regarding business, regarding sa kaperahan, anything that would create or that would bring abundance and prosperity in your life, that would bring a lot of money, revenue, something like that, don't stop, sabi ng guardian angel mo. Okay? Yeah. Parang para sa akin to parang wag daw akong tumigil. Oh my goodness. Wag akong umalis, tama ba? Parang nakaka-resonate ako dito. Don't stop, Angel. Okay, sige na nga. Hindi na ako titigil. Alright. And next, Libra, you have the Emperor. We cover. Okay. For those of you who are dealing with a narcissistic person, people who disrespect you, people who parang bully you, I feel like for some of you, Libra, you've been dealing with people who are trying to control you. You've been dealing with a narcissistic person, and some of you were in a very abusive relationship. You will recover from this. You will recover. You will rise above this person with this, andyan, tutulungan ka ng guardian angels. Okay? Sobrang liwanag niya, no? Yan ang mga sign ng mga guardian angels. Pag lumiliwanag, umiilaw, basta something bright, okay? And, ayan, you will recover from this situation na napaka mabigat. With the Emperor, napaka mabigat sa damdamin. Okay? Maybe you are dealing with a lot of things right now, Libra, na parang mahirap, mabigat sa damdamin mo. Some of you are dealing with a person na walang puso. You will recover from your that situation that really is parang heavy, napaka-heavy sa part mo. Okay? Next, you have the Five of Swords. Choose a new direction. Okay? If may hindi nag-work sa situation mo, huwag ka nang makipagtalo, huwag ka nang makipag-debate, huwag mo nang ipaglaban with the Five of Swords. Huwag mo nang isipin. Okay, if you feel defeated in some situation in your life, it could be relationship, it could be work, it could be anything. Your angel's answer, yung sagot ng angel is, choose a new direction. There's a new direction for you. A new door is opening up for you. There's a new opportunity that is waiting for you, Libra. So you don't have to feel defeated. Sometimes may hindi nag-work sa sitwasyon natin, relationship, career, business, or whatever that is. It's because hindi pala para sa atin yun eh. There's a new path that you will be led on, okay? You will be heading onto a new path, okay? There's a new direction for you. Wow, I love this. If may hindi nag-work, okay? So don't feel defeated. That's the message. So you have the Six of Wands. Okay. So if you have been asking if magiging successful ba ang isang something that you are trying to I'm sorry to say, the answer is unlikely. Mukhang hindi. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka, you know what, it's a saying na parang, oh my God, I'm hearing a different message. Okay, if you are asking if hindi magtatagumpay, okay, it's unlikely. Because some of you, Libra, you're thinking negative. Yung iba sa inyo, very negative. Low vibration ang nasasagap ko. When you are in a low vibrational energy, magiging negative ka talaga. Magiging nega ka. So if you are thinking na mukhang hindi magiging successful, no, it's not. Magiging successful ka. There is victory, there is recognition, there is progress. Makakatanggap ka ng good news. Okay? I think that's the message. I really do feel. So, huwag kang mag-isip ng negative. Okay? I feel like the message here is, huwag lang masyadong arrogante, Libra. Okay? Minsan tayo, I admit, minsan arrogante din ako minsan. And I know myself. That's me. That's who I am. Okay, accept me. We all have flaws. Nobody is perfect. Lahat tayo may bad side and good side. Okay? One thing for sure, people will love you for who you are, no matter your characteristic or your personality. Because a person who is in love, ngayon nga, love is blind, di ba? Ewan ko ba, bakit mahal na mahal niya yun, ang sama-sama naman ng ugali. Okay? Love is blind, that's true. Reality yan. We have to face the reality. Pangit-pangit ng ugali, maldito, bad boy, pero mahal na mahal niya. Love is blind nga eh. Yun nga ang tawag, di ba? But anyway, what I'm saying here is that if nag-iisip ka ng negative, it's unlikely na yung mga naiinisip mo hindi magkakatotoo. But in fact, what's you're supposed to be feeling is you have to be confident in yourself para hindi maging negative ang outlook mo. Kasi once na maging negative ang outlook mo, ayan, magmamanifest yan sa katawan mo. Okay? Maging depressed ka. Lalo ka nag-iisip ng mga parang domino effect yan eh. Once na negative ka, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Malas na talaga. So, snap out of the reality. Sabi nga ni Eminem, snap out of the reality. O, diba? You have to feel confident in yourself. Para kung ano may mga agam-agam na mga iniisip mo, Libra, ano may mga iniisip mo na negative, hindi mangyayari yan. Okay? Ayan. Kung yung mga kinakatakutan mo, it's unlikely na mangyayari. Kasi angel is here to help you. Next, you have the King of Swords. Okay? Not the right time. Trust in divine timing. Okay? With the King of Swords, lahat ng mga plano mo, Libra, lahat ng mga goals mo, lahat ng mga if you are thinking about kakausapin ba ako ng tao na to, not the right time. Hindi sa ngayon. Pero iniisip ka. I feel like this has something to do with relationship. Okay? And if you are thinking of saying some really negative, meron kang i-confront na tao, the answer is not the right time to do this. Focus on your goals. Focus on yourself, Libra. Gusto kong sanang sabihin sa tao na to na ganito, ganyan. May gusto kong sabihin, Libra eh. You want to tell something. The hardest truth. Kaya lang natatakot ka kasi baka masaktan. Well, truth hurts. Yan ang reality. Wala namang katotohanan na hindi masakit. Lahat ng katotohanan masakit. Masakit man tanggapin. Ganun ako. Okay? Hindi ako ipokrita, hindi ako talagang masakit. Yun nga lang, wag muna ngayon. Yan ang mensahe. Okay? Wag mo munang isipin ang mga yan, kumbaga sabi niya. Mag-focus ka, i-redirect mo yung mga isip mo na mga negative. Okay? Kung may mga iniisip ka na atat ka na gawin or like irritable ka, parang wag mo na ngayon. Okay? Dahan-dahan lang. Isihan mo lang, Libra. Okay? So, Libra, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for always watching. Let me know in the comments if nag-resonate. Okay? And I'll see you on my Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat. God bless. Paalam. Okay?